Hi, good day. I'm Mariela Alberoya, and you can just call me Ella, and I'm currently 26 years old. As for my experience as an OT, I started working after 2 or 3 weeks after I passed the board exam. I was employed in a clinic owned by a previous faculty member from my college, and even though I just passed the board exam that time, I was lucky enough that he still employed me and I started my work there through observation of a current therapist who already has a deck of clients. And from there, some of her clients will be transferred to me since the therapist is about to leave the clinic. And with the observation that I began to do, the therapist asked for my opinions, asked for my ideas on how I can do management with regards to her kids and their cases. And then the following weeks, the administration or the admin of the clinic started to deck my own clients to me. And then I start with the initial evaluation wherein I ask the caregivers regarding the client or the kid with regards to their concerns, with regards on their observations of the child at home or even in other contexts, maybe the school or other public places. And then after some time of interview, the client or the kid will come with me inside the therapy room itself, where there are also a lot of kids or other therapists handling their own sessions by that time. Through this experience, I am able to observe my child initially on how he reacts with regards to a new environment, with regards to other people surrounding him in that specific time and specific area. I am also able to observe um, how he copes with regards to the stimulus around him. And then from that observation, we return to the parents or to the room where his or her parents are, and then I give him or give them the feedback with regards to the reactions of the child on how he managed himself, on what his interests are as per my observation. And from there, we try to manage or go together, leading towards the same goal, but goals that are realistic and more appropriate for the child at that specific time and with regards to their current status. With my 2 years of work experience, I've worked in private clinics, and the population that they focus on is usually with the pediatric setting. And with regards to my clients that have been tech to me, most of them are between the ages of 2 to 5 or 6 years old. So I can say that most of my clients are in the early intervention stage. And with regards to the cases that I've handled, I'll be honest that somehow the cases I've handled are somehow limited because it usually rotated between autism spectrum disorder, and it's very seldom that I get cases like ADHD or global developmental delay. And with regards to my work experience with those clients, initially most of them are dysregulated, wherein there are very observable repetitive behaviors, temper tantrums, difficulty with emotional regulation. But then, even though that my experience is somehow limited, I can say to it that I've learned a lot from it. I will not say that I'm like an expert with regards to autism spectrum disorder, but I enjoy with regards to how I learn to manage them, how I learn to really communicate and collaborate with the caregivers. Um, I also really appreciate them when it comes to feedback because sometimes there are parents that are a bit doubtful on how I can manage their kids at the start because of my physique, because I am somehow a petite girl. But then I try my best to really advocate my kids to them that um, it's not about the physique of the therapist, but it's how I approach the kids. And eventually, I'm lucky enough that some of my kids and some of the parents start to really give feedback to me, which I really appreciate because with that, um, I begin to understand or say to it that the parents become more comfortable with me, become more appreciative of the goals I am able to achieve or we are able to achieve for their kids. I graduated from De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute with a 5-year course in Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy. With regards to my program during that time, 3 years was really dedicated to the like theoreticals and school-based activities. But then during the fourth year, there are already some immersions with regards to the settings or clusters where occupational therapy can work with. And then for the fifth year, which we call the internship year, during the whole year, each of the students is rotated in the different clusters for learnings and really to experience actual clients during that time. And for my experience, I was rotated in a psychiatric facility near our home of residence, wherein clients are really picked by our supervisors, which are or which we can already handle, and that the clients can already tolerate, like doing activities, following instructions, and structured activities. And I also experienced working in a school-based clinic wherein I am able to see clients or students and kids maybe before or after their school schedule. And somehow the goals being addressed there are usually school based, like school readiness, and then how does the kids manage to do their activities and able to regulate their behaviors. And there was also this time I was able to rotate in a community based setting wherein we are brought in the community. We also do sleep there, and then during mornings or during the day, we go to the home of the clients to do the evaluation and to do the therapy proper. And also during the pandemic, I was able to experience a telehealth based therapy sessions with the pediatric setting and also the adult physical dysfunction setting, wherein we start with the screening of the client if they are really able to do the telehealth sessions in their own homes. And with regards to the my experience, I was also able to do some webinars during these previous months since I am also staying here in New Zealand. So I tried to maximize my time to still be able to maximize my learnings.